Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be breaking down the GBPJPY short that was posted in the Forex Signals PRO chat room earlier this week. On this H4 time frame, we could see that price came back to this weekly broken support, then price transitioned here. When price transitioned, price came back to this level, and then price broke through. When price broke through, you could see that price came back, tried to break higher, tested this level before transitioning lower to give us this leg. Once we had this leg confirmed, we see here that price created this resistance, broke above this resistance, but never followed through. So we had a pullback, we never had a follow through. Price broke back to the downside, pulled back, came back to this previous ceiling here. And on a smaller time frame, this previous ceiling, we see that price wicked up, created our resistance zone, tested before breaking. On our M15 time frame, we could see that price broke, pulled back, followed through, created this ceiling here. Got above once, failed, got above twice, failed, for price falling. So me taking into account that the H4 is already in a downtrend, tried to break out of that downtrend, pull back, never gave me that follow through. I already know that my downtrend will resume. So I had a break here, pull back, follow through, price came back to this resistance, and you see that price maintained this resistance. So once I realize that price maintained the resistance, I'm just looking for another ceiling to get in on the trade. So once price formed this ceiling here on the M15, price transitioned on a smaller time frame, and my entry was somewhere around this level. So price pushed up, came back, we sent out the trade. I believe once price came to this level, we sent out the trade. Let's see here. Sent out the trade at 11:51 a.m. So when we got in the trade was around this area here. So let's move that back over here. So price created this ceiling. You can see that price tested, tried to break above, almost stopped us out here, but then price pushed lower. Once we were up 40 pips, we took out 50% of our trade, moved our stops to break even, making that a risk-free trade. Then we rode the trade out. We got up to 60 pips. We took out another 25%. We got up to about 91 pips before we closed out the rest of our trade. Now, this is how I was able to get in on this trade. Partial out some profits once I was in profit, moving my stop losses to break even. So I'm now in a risk-free trade. And these are techniques that you'll learn once you do the Forex Mastery course. Happy trading, everybody, and make it a great day.